In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify to sell print-on-demand products with Shopify. Whether you're starting a new venture or adding a new product line to your existing store, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to integrate Printify with Shopify, setting you up for print-on-demand success. First, let's head over to the Shopify admin. Once you are on the homepage of your store, you'll want to navigate to your store settings. To do this, look towards the lower left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you manage various aspects of your store and prepare it for third-party integrations such as Printify. Once inside the settings, find and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage all the apps that you've tied into your Shopify store, including the sales channels you utilize. You're looking for the link to the Shopify App Store here, so you can search for the Printify app. Now take a moment to locate and click on Shopify App Store. This will open a new page within your admin panel, showcasing a plethora of apps specifically designed to elevate your store's capabilities. From here, in the App Store search bar, type in Printify Print on Demand and hit enter. As you see the app listed, go ahead and click on it to learn more about how this tool supports your on-demand printing needs. Once you've accessed the Printify app page, you should see the option to install it on your Shopify store. Click on Install. Remember, this step is essential as it allows Printify access to your store, enabling seamless integration and realistic mock-ups for your products. A pop-up dialog will follow, asking you to approve permissions for Printify. Carefully review the permissions and click Install again to finalize the process. The integration of Printify and Shopify is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow along carefully to ensure everything syncs correctly. Printify allows you to customize and sell a wide range of products from t-shirts to mugs without the need to hold inventory. It automatically processes orders and sends them directly to production partners, providing a drop shipping solution tailored to your design needs. To summarize, you first accessed your Shopify store and navigated to the settings, found the apps section, and used the Shopify App Store to find Printify. By installing it, you're now equipped to begin crafting and marketing your unique designs, simplifying order fulfillment through Printify's efficient workflow. Thank you for following along. We hope this guide empowers you to seamlessly begin your print-on-demand journey with Printify and Shopify. Be sure to explore the vast customization options that Printify offers to expand your online product offerings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.